So nothing in the material world matters, and all our material desires, possessions, and everything else material does not matter for us as entrepreneurs and business people. Now, what matters, and this is from my personal experience, is that becoming the versions that God has created us to be, the versions that He has designed us to be, we're able to serve Him, serve our market, and serve humanity via the services, and the businesses that we are engaged in or that we create. So earlier this week, something happened, and I was this close away from not being here. And from that, I noticed a few things. Is that we, including myself, am so consumed with the financial reward, what we're doing, that we forget what truly matters, which is that it's not about what we get financially in return, but more the person who we've become in the process of achieving that. That's where I've been very focused on what I'm getting financially as a return, and I haven't been putting emphasis on the person I have to become and the person I am becoming. So that made me realize that a lot of our focus is sometimes in the wrong direction, in the wrong places, and paying attention to who we're becoming is where we really want to spend a lot of our time. And we want to become that person every day or every week. We are realizing 1% more of our own potential, the potential that we've been blessed with. Now, all of us, for me, I'm operating at this much of my potential. There's still so much there's still so much I can build within myself. There's still so much growth I can make, and I have to make. It's my duty to make that growth, because that's what I was designed, that's what you were designed for, to realize your potential, so that this version of yourself, which is your max potential, let's say that you're able to realize that in this lifetime, produces, creates, engages in, impacts humanity in a way that you were designed to do that. It's more than just a financial return. It's really becoming who we're created to be. And that was my personal realization I made this week. Now, by the way, for those who don't know who we are or what More Life for All is, ML4A is a global movement for individuals dedicated to achieving success in key areas of life. Number one, mainly financial independence and financial freedom. Number two, vibrant health and prosperity. Number three, interpersonal relationships. So More Life for All is a movement that has been built from the roots of a sales association that focuses mainly on improving the livelihood of families by granting families access to better water with whole house water filtration systems. So feel free to check us out in the link below in case that's something you might be interested in. So when it comes to all of these things that we see life in the material world, the spiritual world, what we're designed for, what we're engineered for, start to ask yourself these three questions. Number one, why am I here? You might not get the answer immediately. However, you want to start asking these questions and pondering about these things. Number two, what am I engineered to do? Number three, what does God, the higher power, universe, whichever you prefer to call it, for me, what does God require of me so that I fulfill my mission here on planet Earth? Those are three questions. Start pondering on those questions, start really thinking about it, and trying to gain clarity. Now, another nugget I'll share with you, if you're not also sure which path you're destined to be on, do this exercise. It helped me a lot. I did it for 30 days. You can start with 7 days, which is write down everything that you are good at doing. It's the top of the page, things I'm good at, and just write everything down. You'll have to ask your friends, hey, what do you think I'm good at? You'll have to ask your family what you think I'm good at, because you want to see what they are good at. You might hear someone say often you're good at communication. You might hear someone say you're good at making people and simplifying things. This is a trait of a coach. A coach is good at simplifying things. Communication. This could be teaching, this could be sales related, this could be any environment that is with engaging back and forth with people. The point of this is to see what the similarities are of the things you're good at. You want to write down everything you like or enjoy doing. Things where every time you engage in it, you forget about time. Things that make you happy, things that, well, I cannot say make you happy because Happy is a choice, right? Happy is a decision we make. We decide to be happy. So that's a topic for another day. However, write down all the things that you enjoy doing, that you like doing, right? Do this for 7 days. I did it for 30 days. I'm not going to give you that extensive task. If for the overachievers, feel free to take it 30 days long. All I ask for you is just do it for 7 days. After the 7 days, look at everything you wrote down. Now, when you write down every day, because every day you're going to start and you do it again from scratch. Don't look back at the previous things you wrote the previous day. Save those sheets, put it aside, and every day write from scratch. What am I good at doing? What do I like doing? 1 page, what am I good at doing? 1 page, what do I like doing? At the end of the 7 days, go through all 7 sheets and look for the similarities that keep showing up every day, that you keep writing for what you're good at and for what you like doing. This will give you insights into some of the gifts that God has blessed you with. And it'll give you clarity on how to traject and how to move your life and your path in life that you choose, right? When I did this, it gave me so much clarity, and I know where my gifts lie. You're still going to have to figure out what exactly your gifts are. However, it's going to give you the direction. All you need is the direction, so you can move on that direction. And as you go in that direction, things start to unfold. And that's what's happening with me. As I'm moving in that direction, things are unfolding regarding what my gifts and my talents are. And then it's our duty to execute on those gifts, improve all of those things, so that we can realize our potential through those gifts, through those skills, through those avenues and those paths. Because that's what we're designed to do. All right, write that in the comment section, because what I want to do is I want to go back and into your comments. I'm going to engage with you. And I really want to see what your gifts are, what you feel your gifts are, right? So I just need to write one thing, put it in the comment section, and then also share this video and subscribe to the channel.